Today we are going to be unboxing the IC-V3500B. This is Icom's newest version of the V3500, and the main difference is going to be that nice, sleek, new black screen. And on the box you'll see here, it is labeled as black to identify that it is the black screen version. Flip it on over to the top of it. That's where you'll find your UPC information. Go ahead and use that information to register for that warranty. Now let's get into the box. Alright, upon opening, you will have some paperwork here that is going to include your manual and then also your actual warranty information. And just inside in the middle here is going to be your power cable. Now when you pull this part out, be wary because there are things inside of this box here. Pull this one out is your hand mic. On this side we do have nuts, bolts, screws, everything you need for the mounting of the bracket that is also tucked away in here. This is what that bracket will look like. And last but certainly not least is going to be your IC-V3500B, the very bottom of the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of these things together and possibly even assemble it. So starting on my left, we have the unit itself, the IC-V3500B. And that first piece that we took out of the box, that power cable, the standard just plugs back in here. And then second piece is the included hand mic, the HM-133V. And this port here at the front of the unit is where that mic plugs in. And then last but not least, we have the mounting bracket and the included screws. One major tool you'll need is probably just going to be your Phillips screwdriver. And the unit itself will just sit in the middle with the slits facing forward. And we'll get some good shots of that all put together by our lovely marketing team. This has been an unboxing of the IC-V3500B. For extra information, reach out to Inside Sales. Come get yours. Thanks for watching.